Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. In this video, I thought we would take a look at Reef, do a bit of analysis for you guys so you can see what's going on with the chart and the prices and stuff. Talk about some news because there's some big things happening with Reef Finance. This being in particular. If this sounds interesting to you, please drop that like, give me a subscribe if you're new watching, and I will dive into this. You know, this has been out for a week or so, so there's a bit of information that I can give you over the last week with what's been happening with Reef. Before I dive into this, I need to let you know, I'm not a financial advisor. These are just my own personal opinions on the market. Opinions. I feel like I don't say it right. So please do your further research before you invest your money. That being said, Reef Finance, thrilled to announce Happy is joining Reef Chain ecosystem. This is big. And I've been telling you guys about Happy for the longest time that it's one of the best security protocols out there because it's an oracle and it brings in real world data into the blockchain. So, you know, this is a very good look for Reef. Hopefully it should show how powerful Happy is and how secure it can keep its mainnet, I guess, because obviously it's been launched on the mainnet. Well, Reef's on its mainnet now. So yeah, this is big news. You guys can obviously read this more if you like. I'm just going to sort of show you what I see because you can check on the Medium pages for Reef and then you can see stuff. I'm just going to go through a few things that it's been doing. Real quick, Reef Finance welcomes Hypersign to the Reef Chain ecosystem. What's Hypersign? So, Reef Finance is thrilled to welcome Hypersign, a decentralized identity DID solution to the ever-growing Reef ecosystem. Hypersign becomes the latest decentralized login solution to come to Reef Chain. However, it also adds many features and more value for users thanks to robust platform already in use. Okay, so I'm guessing it's some sort of security thing again, maybe to do with your passwords or something. If you guys know more on this, drop your likes, drop your comments. Let me know. I mean, I'm going to read this anyway in my own time, but I just want to show you what they've been doing over, because this is 26th of July, pretty much over the last week or so. And yeah, obviously this one here. So Reef Finance announces Same Coin is coming to Reef Chain. Let's have a little look at Reef Chain. Same Coin. Same Coin is a decentralized stable coin protocol that allows the average person or business owner to perform seamless digital payments. The protocol runs on its own utility token, Same. Okay, and has a family of stable coins. Really? I didn't know that, including Same USD, which obviously you need, and Same Euro. Now, I believe that because, you know, we see a lot of like BUSD, I don't know, USDT, USDC. I think it's about time to start seeing some USDU, EU, like Euro, you know what I mean? And USD GBP, because I think that there's other fiat currencies out there that can stand tall with the US dollar. So this is good to see. You know, I think it's quite cool. I think over time we're going to see it anyway. But let's just break down the price of Reef. I just wanted to show you that there's, you know, stuff happening over the week or two, constantly, you know, developing. You can check the Twitter. You can find a lot of it on their Twitter as well. But Reef, because right now, I've drawn the Fibonacci from its highest point up here all the way down to its lowest point here over the last few weeks / months, right? This is on the daily time frame. So let me show you what I see. I've got this yellow moving average, which is the 21-day moving average. I can click it, you can see here 21-day. If you guys want to do this yourself, because, you know, it can really guide you on your journey if you're into Reef, come on tradingview.com, totally free. Once you've signed up, you can click over here on this little F looking thing. It's up there at the top, you know, indicators, and just type in moving average. There you go, and click on that one, or exponential, whichever one you want. And then it should come up like this. Then you can click on it, change it to 21, okay? And obviously colors if you want to change the color. So it's just broke above it, which is very bullish, because if you can see over the last few days, remember these are daily candles, it's been holding incredible support of the daily 21 daily moving average. And the reason the 21 days is so significant, you know, if you're new watching, because whenever this price has been above it or below it, it's always held major resistance or major support. And here's a fine example. We broke below it up here and it resisted. It had a little fake out. It's been resisting to break above it for the longest time, and as you see here, it just broke it. So this is big news right here. So, and let's just go back to the past. because if we zoom out a little bit, then we can, we can then get a better picture of what really happened. And as you can see here, look, from when it broke above the, well, you can't really see further back, but if you was to draw this, moving day average like this, it would have broke above it here, and you can see it held support, beautiful support for the longest time, right up on the previous bull cycle that we had, all the way above it. And obviously from here it was floating a bit, couldn't make up its mind what it was doing. So yeah, because it's broken above now, I believe that, we've got clear skies ahead for Reef. Time's going to tell though. But again, it all depends on what Bitcoin is doing, because, Bitcoin is like gravity. It can drop the prices of all other coins. Let's look for the next support. So for me, I like to look back, because if you ever want to see what's going to happen in the future, take a look back into the past, and you can see back here, this was the last bit of space where we had, support and resistance, or confluence, whatever you want to call it, in the price. Now for me, I will probably say something about here is a good place to place a line, because I can see support. Bitcoin had a bit of resistance here, broke above, held resistance, and if you look over here, it came when it did fall down that time. What was it, back in May? My birthday, May 19th, had a massive drop, held support on this line, came back above, dropped again, held support on this line. So it's, it's a very significant area for support and resistance. Look at the price over here. You're looking at 0.17. I expect that a Reef will come up to 0.17, and if it can break it, then it could be good clear skies ahead. The next resistance level for me would be here on the Fibonacci, if it can break this, purely for the fact that I can see, again, a bit of resistance here as it tried to come up and it broke back down, and it just matches up with the, the 0.23 Fibonacci as well. So I'm looking for the 0.17 first. If it breaks that, next one is here. Where would it be after that? Just have a little look here. I mean, the price has sort of been playing well with the Fibonacci. As you can see here, held resistance on this green line, straight across here, held it once there, or a few times here, held it a few times here, a bit of resistance here, broke down. So this could probably be a next one to look for if it can break these key resistances, right? How high can it go? Well, if the bull market is to continue, I expect the Reef price to go as high as what we see on these Fibonacci retracements in the long term. So if you're a long-term holder, I'm expecting that it could come all the way up here, guys. I got to keep it super real. I will probably take profits at this purple line right here just before it gets to the top. You're looking at a 17 pence price. Sorry, same pence, cent. You're looking at 17 cents in the future should it continue its, big rally. And another key important thing is this down here, there is RSI. It had a similar thing happen like what happened with Bitcoin. It had this resistance, had a fake out here, came above, came down, and it's been resisting for the longest time. You can see the trend line that I've drawn, this white line on this price. The RSI indicator has been resisting, and it just broke it. So, I'm looking here, there could be a power move. There's a bit more room for this to go up. Should that happen, maybe it could push the price of Reef above these these lines here, resistance lines. Maybe see it come above to about here. What's this one again? The 2 cents. Looking at 2 cents mark. So let's see what happens. If you want to draw this up, you can. Fibonacci are very simple to grab up if you don't know how. On the left hand side here, you click on this 1, 2, 3, the third one down. There's an actual little arrow, and then you can just scroll down here, and you should see a Fibonacci retracement right here. You see, that's one way to do it, or you can just hold alternative, the ALT button, and tap F. But usually it's quicker just do it like this if you don't understand all the ALT, because some people don't. You get some people watching. What am I laughing for? But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm seeing right now in the charts for Reef. Hopefully this was helpful to someone. You can see it's had a V-shaped recovery here since it's full from here. If this was helpful to you, please drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Someone wanted me to do this, so I was happy to do it. Can't remember who it was, someone in the Telegram. But big up to you all. Appreciate you guys watching. Getting close to my 60k subscribers, slowly and steady. And yeah, shout out to my patrons. I see you all in these tiers. I truly appreciate you all. Thank you so much. If you guys want to become a patron, you're welcome to do so. I have 7 tiers. I think you should, because we're always buying these things that are making us 10x, 5x, 3x, 2x, whatever kind of X. Your boyfriend X, I'm joking, or your girlfriend X. We're making good gains. So, yeah, you can become a patron, you can see the posts, it will unlock everything. Get my words. I ain't cut it. Keeping it raw, fresh, and I got like Tesco's. If you become a exclusive VIP partner in that tier, scroll down, you would unlock all my posts. Unlock all my posts. And if you want to take that step further, become a CEO partner, get my super alerts. Come into my private VIP Telegram group and chat to all of us then and there. You know, people are buying things before I get the chance because we talk about things before I buy them. So this can really help in the long term for, you know, buying these coins, getting in super early. So yeah, I'm going to do a shout out to my patrons. Shout out to Toy Notary. It's time. Actually, let me put my phone on silent, on play mode, because if I don't, people are going to be calling me. But let me do that again. Shout out to Toy Notary. It's time for AJ, Thanks C63, Clarence Dennis from look, getting it wrong. Clarence Dennington, Christopher Johnson, Jacob Adams, Mr. Anonymous, Stuart Chocolate, Carlos Rocha, Damaris, Samuel Stancox, Rahul the God. Listen, I got to do it quick because there's too many. Dante Kennedy, RG, Bizzle, Max, Wisdom? I think Wizard, Manny Sanchez, Tyrone Samuel, Abiola, Rachel Mack, Pamela Williams, Stacks on Racks, Rick, Joffrey Williamson, Omar Thomas, Cass Manel, Evan Davis, CCP269, Good Feels Nice, Dominique, Peter Stoddard, Eric Scoop King, Big Up, Semyon, Fatima Price, Shwanda Owens, Tanner McLaren, Josh Wills, Kevin Ward, Sassovi, Michael Keel, I think I said that right, Christopher Hoss, Chris Steed, Snowy, Andrea Harding, Kelvin, William Fox, Esjar, Claudette Hormiliosa, like Wingardium Leviosa, float you up in the air, you best believe, Shakir Hussein, Lamar Lee Seeley, Cody Harris, S, Daniel Hopkins, Cyril, always get that one, you know what I mean, Alexander Forey, Gilbert Baggins, Eric Jackson, Paul Forrest, Power, Russell Cohan, Joseph Marcus, Crypto Mac, give me the gains. Listen, I'm mixing it all up. Vilex, West A, M. Ali, Mo C, Fiat Justin, Mike V, J Faye, Terry JC, Ollie, Orville Broomfield, NASA, Ignacio. That's a sick spell. Listen, I keep seeing Harry Potter spells in your names. I can't help it. G Crypto 117, Chris Chico, NM That Man, Francis Loco, Zach Adam, Mansawa, Jem the Jaguar, Marcus Gittery, Exelios. Flick that one that you had, you best believe. I could just imagine Harry Potter. Exelios. Mash up your head. Anyway. Stony Mac. What am I laughing for? John Lowe, Ranjo Singh, Raffle Krupa, Aiden, Ejiki Corey. Just spin you up in the air, you know. Luke Ainsworth. I can see it. Mr. Durite, Anthony Berry, TRG Investments, Ryan Williams, Tucan, Santino, Crazy Gem, Timothy J. Brusky, Renee, UKMC No Name, Pablo, Lena111, I think that's right, Sunny V, Hannah Yabu, Ricardo Vinegas, Shinadu, Oscar Vilgas, Crypto Moon, New to You, Jackson Tepper, look, bang my chest, Francis Hernandez, Akbar, Jermaine Allen, David Dedigi, Chiquita, look, a lot of tongue twists, John Sandoval, Optimus Poompage, Edgar Cortez, Ramil TV, Kirsten, hello, Mr. Drew, SNCCC, Marlene Daddy Albers, Joshua Asher, Black Ape, Bob Rust, spit on my whole mic, you best believe. Losing my breath. Eloy, Mikey, User X 2019, Blackstar, Chiles Creations, Akis Voldorus, mash up your ear. What am I laughing for? Abid Hussein, Moises D. Lopez, Michael, I can't help it. Joseph Samar, I'm going to get a headache after this. Joseph Samara, Neola London, Chris Tap Dance, oh, tap dance with you, best believe. Iris, Montreal Ammon, Joey J, Raj T, Brian Reedy, Terry, Cornell Goodman, Matthew Walker, Sarpaint Singh, Dennis Boonman, Mark Peak, Elliot Chill, Royal ID, Hassan P, Makuga, I think I said that right. Monica Matteo, Adam, I've got to start scrolling up again. Where am I? Monica Matteo, Adam Allen, Ralph Green, Marcus Dunbar, Johnny Matthews, Arted, Moises Gallery, Mrs. Carla V. What's going on? Rizwan, Akins, Ice Cat, get it out again. Ice Cat Trader, Connie, Williamson Johnson, Anthony Donne, Carrick. You've never heard a list this long, shouting out people's names, sitting there for like 5-10 minutes. Karen Danik, I appreciate you though. It's just so long, isn't it? Are you still here? Drop a like. Kimberly Gearman. All for One and One for All. Cylinder to Schumer, Stefan, PC World. Who used to watch that advert? I used to love that advert. Marky27, Dave, Chris Adlam, Crypto. I gotta have fun with it. Crypto Newbie, Thomas Rodriguez, Golden Bags, Noel21, Jude Tam, Thierry. I think that's right. Joe Youssef, Arif Joy, Danny Rich, Elstein, Carnivore 444, Morgan Culver, Job, Kelpashkamar, Alexis Pagan. I think I said that right. Siraf, hold on. Sirafex. Kevin V, Crypto Hustle, big up. Nova, Mohammed Imran, Ankush Jane, Corey, Mario L, Vanessa Small, Elijah Ailendi, I think that's right. Moinu Hussein, Nadine Jordan, Eddie Laforme, D Wheels, Riyad Midikaso, Hashmatala, I keep thinking of Madagascar. Anyway, Hashmatala, Suraj Rashid, I'm getting there. Eamon D. Whaler, I'm halfway, I promise you. Max Sixor, Master J, Daniel Brown, Leon Plas, DG Crypto, I promise you, it's so long. Adam Isvan, Theodore Wheaton, LD Vincent Millett, Mauricio, Anoop N, Ayman Rizvi, Janetta, Legend Charles Knight, Asa Jones, Duns River, Carrie, Gilbo Blaggins, Jake Ross, Cookie Crumbs, Cookie, I love it. Christian, Lee, Philip Staffer, Fund Me Now, I will sort you out, don't worry. Crypt Dive, Maha Ramadan, I think that's right, Ramadan, yeah. Fiaz Ahead, Jim, Harsha, Bent Henson, I think that's right. Daniel Grigrio, listen, if I get your names wrong, just let me know, drop the comments. Idle Piper in the Patreon. Shark T's, I'm getting your name mixed up. Sherry T. Zostek, there you go. Deshanavation, Mustafa, Skylark, hold tight DJ Skylark, come in a place with the DJ Skylark, I scroll up my screen with the DJ Skylark, you best believe. I love it. Because she's a DJ, right? Liz Reed, the A-Team / something else. Jacob Madaris, Dave Catho, Richard Harmer, big up to you. Kyle Dawson, JP Deline, I think Deline. Let me know. Joey Shawns, Akeem Banks, listen, there's so many. Michelle Van Den Acker, what's going on, my lovely? Rosemary Hansen, Justin Levin, Via Financial, you because you need to say Via. Raycorn, Mr. Pounditi, Massey, Tonye Adikibi, I think I said that right. Sear Coins, Kasha Smith, Soul Seeker, I'm almost at the top of my screen again. Theodes, Paulo Baptista, Renton Bacco, Inigo Zibieri, listen, I ain't done this in a while. Stephen Grunfield, I think that's right. RGC Visual, Lee Goodwin, Matthew Wan, Tristan Miles, John Hung, Cypherama, May Revel, I think that's right. Laurie Litra, I'm getting there. Alicia Abigus, what's going on? Nima Wambagu, I think that's right. Des, David Lang, Sayita, what's going on? Danny Ruddick, Kenny Broker, I think I'm getting there. Aaron Nguyen, Nick Smith. There's so many. Are you still here watching? I'm scrolling down again. Oh, where am I? Nazar, James Snowden. Let's take my mouth. Pie. It's got 3 eyes. Mr. Bonds, double starred. Mustaq Dean, Michael Knight, S. Terrell. Look, my eyes are watering now. Nate, Robert, John Carty, Josh Davis, Batch 1, VJ Kumar. You promise you've never seen a name called this long list. I can't even get it out. Fuchs, I think that's right. Devastator X, big up to you. Francis B, Christopher Hamilton, you related to what's his face Hamilton, the driver. Mr. Investor, Irina Lorenzo, I think that's right. Mark Raffle Stepnikowski, yep. Jordan Rutty, Gene Gerard, Gaspar Pestotnik, I think I'm Dr. Robotnik. I love it. Randall Jarrows, I'm almost there. Saif, Matthew Kirk, Peter Butler, Saifi Muhith, I think that's right. Martin Wahenko, big up to you, brother. Hold on, is it Armin? I think it's, I want to say Armin, let me know. Jack Attack, Miraja Shepherd, Jamar Richard So, Valentine, and Work Hard, Play Hard. My God! What a name call list! Thank you all so much. Listen, we're making crazy games, you best believe it. And all the other patrons in these tiers here, because I know some names don't get shouted out because you're in these tiers, big up to you guys. Thank you all so much. Truly appreciate you all. You guys had me sitting there for like 10 minutes or more. Thank you. I'm gone. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Cheers.